Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through how to manage the organization workspace and assign roles in Trupeer. In the Home section, you can access the organization dashboard, which have the overview cards like Total Workspace, including the number of active workspaces in the organization, followed by Total Users, which displays the number of users and the available seats, Total Assets, which shows the total assets across all workspaces, and AI minutes used, which indicates the AI minutes consumed out of the available quota. Organization space allows you to create multiple workspaces under a single organization. Click Create Workspace, then enter a name and description for the workspace. Then click Create Workspace option. For each workspace, you can then assign members by selecting the workspace. Then click Add Users and search by email ID. By default, the role is set to Workspace Editor. You can also switch the role to Workspace Admin, which allows the user to manage user settings and workspace assets. Then click Add Users and search by email ID. By default, the role is set to Workspace Editor. You can also switch the role to Workspace Admin, which allows the user to manage user settings and workspace assets. Each workspace has its own page grids, library, and content, helping the team stay organized. In the dashboard, you can view members, and filtering option allows them to sort organization members by workspace or activity status, with the ability to invite inactive users. You can also download the CSV file of members by clicking the arrow button. And also you can delete the member, or you can edit changes by using 3 dots under the Actions menu. That's how the organization space works in Trupeer. Thank you for watching.